Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And right now, I just felt like recording a video. I actually am starting to get more into investing again, like I was. Because if to all my OGs out there, you guys know that I've been recording probably for 2 years now, on and off, and I've been investing for more than 3 years, almost 4 years now. I'm still new to the game, learning things every day as time goes on. But I relit my love for investing and I wanted to start recording more videos. I want to kind of treat this like this my portfolio kind of like a business and my YouTube kind of like a business where I'm just trying to increase the numbers. As you see, my portfolio is at 23,000, and at one point it broke 24,000, which is nice. Haven't seen these numbers in a while. See if I can go back in time. 1 year. Last time we were about here was in January of the beginning of this year, basically the beginning of this year. And I want to get back to all-time highs of about $40,000. That's the goal. Short-term goal. May take more than a year, honestly, to get back to this point. $40,000. The more I add, the more easier it would get. But I finally am loving investing, and especially because of these few stocks right here: Neo, Afria, Shopify, and Tesla. Those stocks are the stocks that I'm actually loving a lot. Super excited about Neo. Almost want to put a lot more money into it. I do have this much buying power, but then I'll be going into margin, which is something I really don't want to do because that's what happened here. I was on a lot of margin, and once the little flash crash happened, I had to sell off because I was on margin call. So that's one of the mistakes I've made, and it's something I don't want to repeat myself. So if I do buy on margin, I'm not gonna buy that much. Like, I'm always gonna have at least $10,000 in margin. So if my portfolio does go down, I won't have to sell everything fast. And I do have some money in my bank account just in case there is a little correction that comes, which I do believe a correction will happen. The markets have been going crazy. The Nasdaq's up insane amounts. I believe the freaking Nasdaq was up to what's it called? Let's see. Nasdaq is at 23,000. 23. Sorry. 12,000. 12,000. Oh, I'm going crazy. And just the other time, like before, it was 8,000, 7,000, $6,000 at the lowest points of when the virus was hitting. Man, I was going crazy. 23,000. What did I get that number? I was probably thinking about the Dow Jones. Yeah, but the Nasdaq's been going crazy. We were talking about how the Nasdaq was going to 10,000 was a big deal. Now it's at 12,000. It's getting close to 13,000. Like, I believe there would be a correction soon. So that's why I kind of don't want to buy anything right now, because I believe a crash is going to happen. But on the other hand, Neo stock, with Neo Days coming soon and all the hype behind that's going to go crazy. Neo stock will be going stupid. It will be going up a lot, I believe, and that's why I'm kind of want to put more money in. Maybe I'll put $1,000 in on Monday when the markets are open, and I'll leave it at that. Or maybe I put even more money. Maybe I'll get into margin, but I don't know. I would be considered chasing the stock, and I kind of don't want to do that. I may just put in $1,000 here, and then I'll leave it at that, and it'll be my biggest position in my portfolio by quite a bit, by $1,200. And then I have Afria. Afria, I believe, will also be a big player in the cannabis space. The cannabis space is getting bigger every single day, every year as time goes on. More places are going to legalize it, and whenever there's big news, Afria will go up. Same thing with oral cannabis. I'm not buying any more oral cannabis. I love Afria way more than oral cannabis, and I'm going to leave it like that. I'm not buying no more. Shopify. Ooh, Shopify. I believe in the long term, Shopify is going to 10x. It's going to be $1 trillion company, but I believe it's going to take a long time, maybe 5-10 years. But Shopify is growing 100%, crazy amounts, and they're predicting that it's only going to grow 30% this year in revenue. Like, come on, no, it's going to grow up way more than that. And when Shopify beats those estimates, it's going to start skyrocketing more and more and more. Like, Shopify is getting bigger and bigger into the 100 billion. Same thing with Square. And Square is getting up there, but I believe these valuations are getting stupidly high. That's why I kind of don't want to get into margin, because I believe I believe in the next few months there's gonna have to be a little even a little correction of 5% would be good, and I would be buying more. But if a correction of more than 10%, then yeah, if it will be a little dip if it's a 5%, 10% is more of an actual correction. Like that's what the correction is, 10% dip, and if a crash is more than 20%, I don't think a crash is gonna happen. Maybe a bear market after 2021, because if this year is doing so good, I believe maybe 2021 will be not the same, but like maybe stagnating. And then maybe after that, everything gets back to normal. We'll slowly start realizing that the markets we're going too crazy, and then the markets will go down. So it's time to stack our money, time to start making more videos and get some revenue from these. And that's the goal. That's the goal with the portfolio. I want to treat it like a business. So I'm only up 12%, underperforming really, really badly. I want to get back into the game. I want to put more money into these stocks. I believe all these stocks right here are game changers, double-digit growth. I want to gain at least 25% per year, if not more, and I want to deposit more money into the portfolio. And I most likely will open another brokerage account and start another portfolio from there. But that's the goal. I'm actually super excited about this. I want to post way more videos, especially on Neo, Afria, Shopify, even these ones right here, Square, Dropbox, and Tesla. I believe all these stocks are gonna double in the 5 to 10 years or more. Especially Neo. Neo stock, it's super high valuation right now. So any bad news with any of these companies will drop the stock hard. Any bad news, any little thing will drop the stock badly because of the high valuation that they have. But if they continue to innovate and improve and beat estimates, they're going to continue to keep growing at exponential rates. And that's why I believe my portfolio is built to go up a lot. And that's what my portfolio has been doing in the past month. It's up 13%. If we can just keep up these percentages, we'll be gaining lots of steam fast. I'm super excited about this. And let me know in the comments what your big player is. I am going to talk about this stock that I just got right now that I'm actually kind of excited for. And it's kind of a little spec play that I have. But if it works out, this stock could go up massively in my opinion. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, so do your own due diligence. Don't buy anything just because I have it. Do your own research and put your money where you best believe will help you achieve your goals financially. Other than that, that's the end of this little video update. I'll probably be recording more videos. I'm still getting used to recording and talking because I'm not really a good speaker. But hopefully, as time goes on and the more videos that I make, my speaking skills will improve over time. But yeah, and thank you for all the OGs that are still watching the videos. I know I've been gone on and off, usually for months. Busy time. It's crazy times now, but hopefully you guys are all doing good. Hopefully the portfolios are going crazy. I know a lot. If you guys didn't sell any of your stocks, basically, you guys are up 100 plus percentages, which is crazy. It's probably one of these years that if you just held on to the stocks before the crash and bought some, then you guys are doubling, tripling, quadrupling your net worth, and I'm happy for all of you guys, and hopefully that happens for me too, because before the crash, that's what was happening for me, and then boom, my portfolio got wrecked, and bad things happened. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.